A homeowner in Savannah, Georgia was concerned about their foundation due to cracking in the walls and unlevel floors. Our inspector conducted a thorough inspection of the crawl space and found that the wood under the bathroom was rotten and the joists were sagging, both contributing to unlevel floor issues. To fix the wood rot and stabilize the sagging floors, our team removed the rotten bathroom floor and replaced it with new treated wood. SmartJacks were installed, preventing further settlement. Thanks to our team's work, the homeowner's foundation was restored and stabilized. Call Lowcountry Foundation Repair for a free inspection.